Good morning, students. Today we will discuss few solutions of miscellaneous exercise, chapter 7, permutations and combinations. Here is our first example, which we will discuss, that is example number 20 on page number 153. How many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants can be formed from the letter of the word involute? How many vowels and consonants are there? First of all, you have to write down 4 vowels and 4 consonants are given to you in the word involute. Total 8 letters are there, 4 vowels and 4 consonants. How many are required to make the word? 3 vowels and 2 consonants. It is given to you 3 vowels and 2 consonants you have to take. Out of 4, you have to select 3, and out of 4 consonants, you have to select 2 consonants. Selected 4C3 and 4C2. Now 5 places you have filled. These 5 places can interchange their places also. That's why this is the question of competition as well as combination, because you are in the selection you are using combination. When you are making the arrangement of individual vowel and consonant, it means then you are multiplying by the 5 factorial, because 5 places are there which you have to fill. 4C3 into 4C2 multiplied by 5 factorial, because individual arrangement is matters here also. Now 24 minus 5 factorial, you are getting 2880. In the second example, find the number of words with or without meaning which can be formed using all the letters of the word again. It's a very good question. If these words are written as in a dictionary, what will be the 50th word? First of all, here word that is given is again word. It means the arrangement of word again should be done by the way of dictionary. As we fix A here first, I have just made the box for this. Fixed element is in the box. A is fixed here. Other 4 are left. You have to now make the arrangement of these 4. How many ways are there to make the arrangement of these A, G, I and N? These are what? 4 distinct letters. It means what? 4 factorial is a way. It means 24 ways are there when you fix A here. In the second, after A, the turn of G is there. Now make it fix G. If G is fixed, then again here 4 letters which you have to arrange. But here is the letter A which is written 2 times. It means repetition of letter is there. So what? The arrangements can be calculated by using the formula n factorial upon p factorial. Now total are 4 and A is repeated 2 times divided by 2 factorial. We are getting 12. The next turn is to fix I. AAGN. Again, number of ways to calculate it is 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. When you are adding these, you are getting 48. It means up to I fixation. When you fix the I up to I, when you fix, you are getting total 48 letters you have formed. Now, how many are left? Now, total letters you have to calculate first. How many are left you can get from there? Total words, 5. Sorry, total letters are 5, and 5 factorial divided by repetition of these 2 ways divided by 2 factorial. Total words can be formed by using the formula. This one you are getting 60. Out of 60 you are getting 48 up to I when you fixed. Now next turn is to fix N. Now you have to calculate 50th word. Total are 60 and you have to calculate 50th. 49th word you can make by rearranging the letters. And you have to fix after I. Then N is fixed here. According to dictionary, first of all you have to write down A. Then after the A, turn of G is there and turn of I is next one. AAGI, this is the 49th word. Now for the 50th word, A is fixed here. Now first of all, these will be interchanges. If these are interchanged, then you are getting AAIJ NAAIG is the word which is the 50th word. You can say that this is the rank of the word NAAIG. Sometimes it is written in the question, find out the rank of the word NAAIG, or any other word can be given. Rank means what? You have to find out the position and place of the word. Here is the place of the word is 50th word. This is the 50th word. Now next example is 23rd example. How many numbers greater than 10 lakh can be found by using the digits 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4. These digits are given to you. You have to make the number which is greater than the given number 10 lakh. So greater than 1 means what? 0 cannot be the in the box here. Only 1, 2 and 4 are the numbers. Now are the digits which can be put here in the box here. If you put 0 here, it means you will not get the word accordingly which is required. So what? First of all, fix 1 here in the box. Case 1 is this one. Other digits are placed as they are given. Only 6 places you have to fill by taking other 6 letters. So how many ways are there? When you fix 1, then 6 factorial upon repetition of 2 3 times divided by 3 factorial, repetition of 4 2 times, 2 factorial, 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial, getting 60. If you fix 2 here, then other digits put another places. At the other places you put here. Now 6 places you have to fill. 6 factorial upon 4 2 times, 2 2 times, because 1 2 is fixed here. And 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial, we are getting 180. When you fix 4 in the box, then 6 factorial upon number of 2's are 3, 3 factorial, 4 is only once written here. 6 factorial upon 3 factorial, we are getting 120. Total number can be formed 60 plus 180 plus 120, that is 360. Now next question is question number 11 of exercise. In how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? In the word association, you have to arrange all S in the one group. As I have written here, all S in a one group. One arrangement you have to make and you will get the answer very easily. Here I have fixed the one place for the S, S and S, and other letters are written here. I have arranged them in a one way, that is 3 A's and 2 I's, 2 N's and O and T. From there you can get how many times the letters are repeated. A's are repeated 3 times, and 2 times, and I 2 times. So it's easy to get the solution. Number of A's, total letters are 13. And you have to fix these 4 S at a one place. So number of places are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all 4 S's are there. That means this is a 10th one. Total 10 places you have to fill. This combined form can be, this one position can be shifted to any of the place. So what? 10 factorial upon repetition of A is 3 times, repetition of I 2 times, repetition of N 2 times, divided by N factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. And these 4 S can be interchanged their places, but they are same. That's why what? Only 4 factorial upon 4 factorial cancelled, 1 is there only. But you have you can write it, because it's a process to do the question. 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. So what? Repetition of 4 factorial, or in the numerator it is 4, that's why 4 factorial. Simplify it, you are getting 151200. This is the answer, number of ways. In the next question, in how many ways can 5 girls and 3 boys be seated in a row so that no 2 boys are together? It means what? I have made the arrangement here. 5 girls, and in between the girls I have marked the place for the boys. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 places are there where you can fit the boys. So out of 6 only you have to fill 3, because 3 boys are given only to you. It means 6p3. And 5 girls can interchange their places. So that's why it is 5 factorial. 5 factorial into 6 p3, that is equal to 14,400. And these are the few questions related to permutations and combinations. Do other questions from the miscellaneous exercise or examples of miscellaneous, and you can do from the extra book also. Thank you. Have a nice day.